Hello everyone, it's me again, Maria, and welcome to my channel. So for this video, we're going to discuss all about the division of polynomials using long division and synthetic division. So what are we going to do is to define first what is a polynomial. A polynomial is an expression consisting of variables, also called indeterminates, and coefficients that involves only the operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and non-negative integers exponentiation of variables. It is written in standard form, wherein 1 with the highest degree is the first term. When we say polynomials, dapat yung pinakamataas na degree is nasa unahan or yung tinatawag nating first term, while yung lowest degree naman is dapat nasa hulihan or yung pinaka-constant natin. When we take a look at this example, we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4. The highest degree in here is 3. Alright? Wherein it is in the first term. And then followed by the lower degree, which is 2. Followed by the lowest degree, which is 1. And then our constants. Ito yung tinatawag nating polynomials. So, meron iba't ibang klase ng polynomials. We have monomial, binomial, and trinomial. And ang polynomials, siya na yung pinagsama-samang mga terms. Okay? Kaya siya tinawag na poly. Okay? Polynomials. Let's take a look at this example. We have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4 divided by x minus 3. Remember, when you are going to divide a polynomials, kailangan kumpleto yung degree niya from highest to lowest. Okay? Like for example, we have 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay? So, dapat ganun yung setup. Later on, magbibigay ako ng example kung saan hindi siya kumpleto yung degree kung anong gagawin natin doon. Okay? So, we have to divide 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus x plus 4 2x minus 3. So, all you have to do is to listen and follow what I am doing. Okay? So, on the first term is we have 2x cubed. And when we are going to divide, una muna nating titingnan si first term. We have 2x cubed. And saan natin siya i-divide? Kay x ba? Kay negative 3 ba? So, kapag mag-divide tayo, kailangan doon lang siya sa x mismo. Sa pinaka-first term ng ating divisor. Since sa first term natin siya i-divide or sa first term ni divisor which is x, pwede nyo tong gawin para hindi kayo malito. So, we have 2x cubed divided by x. Okay? 2x cubed divided by x. And, kailangan alam nyo din kung paano ba ang law of exponents. Okay? So, when we divide an exponent, so we have 2 divided by 1. Automatically, may 1 dyan. So, we have 2. And then x. Kapag magdi-divide tayo ng variables na may exponent, you are just going to subtract 3 to 1. Okay? Since automatically, may exponent tayo na 1 dito dahil wala naman siyang exponent na visible. So, we have 2x and 3 minus 1 is equal to 2x squared. So, ang ginamit natin dito is the law of exponent in division. So, we have 2x squared. Ang answer natin ay 2x squared. Yan. And then, what are you going to do next is to multiply 2x squared to x minus 3. Multiply naman natin siya. Para lang tayo nagdi-divide talaga. Ang pinagkaiba nga lang is meron na siyang kasamang variables and coefficients since ang ating dinidivide ay polynomials. So, we have 2x squared times x since automatically ang answer ay 2x cube. Diba? Paano naging 2x cube yun? Naman mag-multiply tayo ng terms na mayroong exponent. So, ganito yung mangyayari. So, we have 2x squared. Since 2x squared times x minus 3 yung gagawin natin. Times x. Okay? So, what are we going to do first is to multiply the whole number. Since ang x natin, dahil hindi siya visible, meron siyang kasamang 1, automatic yon. So, 2 times 1 is 2. And then, copy nyo lang si x. And 2 plus 1 naman tayo. Automatic may exponent naman yan na hindi lang siya visible pero automatic yon. So we have 2x raised to 2 plus 1 is equal to 2x cube. Alright, kaya 2x cube yon. Diba? So, first, kapag magdi-divide tayo ng exponent, ima-minus lang natin. Next naman, kapag magmumultiply naman sa law of exponent, ipa-plus natin. Okay, so we have 2x squared times x is equal to 2x cubed. And 2x squared times negative 3. Since negative 3 times 2 is negative 6. And then, copy lang si x squared since wala namang variable si 3. Okay? So, lagay lang tayo ng line. And then, di ba kapag magdi-divide tayo, isusubtract naman natin siya. Yan. So, what are we going to do? Since isusubtract natin siya, ika-cancel out na natin to since magiging negative na si 2x cube. And then, ito namang second term, magiging positive siya. Diba? So, negative times negative is equal to positive. Tama? That's why, negative 3 plus 6 is equal to positive 3x squared. So, bring down negative x. I-bring down lang natin si negative x. Then, next thing to do is to divide 3x squared to x. So, ganun ulit yung gagawin natin para hindi kayo malito, maggumawa kayo ng ganito. Okay, so we have 3x squared divided by x. 3 divided by 1 is 3. And then copy x. And 2 minus 1, automatic may 1 dyan, is 1. So, the answer is 3x only. Positive 3x. Right? Next thing to do is to multiply again 3x to x minus 3. We have 3x times x. Automatic 8 is 3x squared. Kasi exponent 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Kaya 3x squared yan. And then 3x times negative 3 is equal to negative 9x. Since 3 times negative 3 is negative 9, wala namang variable na x si 3 dito. So, i-copy na lang natin siya. And then, put a line again. So, magsusubtract ulit tayo. Automatic, magiging negative na si 3x squared. So, ika-cancel na natin. And then, magiging positive naman si 9. So, negative 1, automatic may 1 yan. Hindi lang siya nilalagay, okay? So, huwag kayong malilito. Negative 1 plus 9 is equal to positive 8x. Right? Then, right after that, bring down 4 naman natin. So, we have 8x plus 4. I-divide naman ulit natin si 8x kay x. 8x divided by x. As you can see, 1 na lang siya. Right? So, what are we going to do is, so 8, then copy x, and 1 minus 1 is 0. Okay? And, meron tayong rule wherein any number or variable raised to 0 is equal to 1. And that's why 8 times 1 is equal to 8. So, yun lang ang ating sagot dito. Plus 8. And then 8 times x is equal to 8x. And 8 times negative 3 is equal to negative 24. Subtract again. Magiging positive to. Makakancel naman si 8x. So, we have 4 plus 24 is equal to 28. So, yan na yung pinaka-remainder natin. And the answer itself is, ilalagay natin si remainder over the divisor. X minus 3. So, ito na yung sagot natin using long division. We have 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 plus 28 over x minus 3 since meron tayong remainder. Okay? Yung kanina, ang ginamit natin is long division. Now, we're going to use synthetic division and nilagay ko dito yung sagot natin kanina enable for us to compare if tama ba yung magiging answer natin. Remember, when we are going to use synthetic division, an exponent must be 1. 1 lang dapat yung exponent natin sa divisor and ang ating coefficient should be 1 also. As you can see, our divisor is x minus 3. We have exponent of 1 here. Hindi lang siya visible, pero automatic yan. And coefficient 1 here. Hindi lang din siya visible kasi automatic yun. So, first thing to do is to equate x to 0. So, we have x minus 3 is equal to 0. Kunin muna natin si x. We have x, i-transpose negative 3, magiging positive 3. And then, siya na yung divisor natin. So, we have 3. Ayan. So, next thing to do is to get all the numerical coefficients on each terms. So, we have 2x cubed. Ano ang numerical coefficient natin dito? We have 2. Kunin natin si 2. Numerical coefficient natin sa second term, we have negative 3. Numerical coefficient natin kay third term, we have negative 1. Negative 1 yan, automatic, di ba yun? And we have positive 4. You're just going to put a line in here. Ayan. So, the first step is to bring down 2. Yung ating first numerical coefficient, ibababa lang natin siya dito. And then, what are we going to do is to multiply 2 to 3. We have 2 times 3 is positive 6. Okay? And then, add negative 3 plus 6 is positive 3. Same process. Ganun lang din yung process niya. So, we have 3 times 3 is equal to 9. And negative 1 plus 9 is positive 8. And then, 8 times 3 is 24. And 24 plus 4 is 28. Okay, so ilagay natin siya as polynomials. We have 2 as our first term. And since nag-divide tayo, magiging 2 na yung exponent natin, hindi na siya 3. So, we have 2x squared. Magma-minus lang palagi tayo ng 1, 3 minus 1. Para yun na yung pinaka-exponent natin when we use the synthetic division. Okay? So, plus, since positive to, 3x. Followed lang yun since 2, 1, ang exponent natin 1, plus 8, plus 28 over x minus 3. And this is the answer in using synthetic division. We have 2x squared plus 3x plus 8 plus 28 over x minus 3. Take a look at this. Ito yung sagot natin kanina sa long division. Ito naman sa synthetic division. Are they the same? Yes, they are. Kasi pwede natin silang gamitin both long division and synthetic division in dividing polynomials. Okay? So, take a look at this another example. We have 5x cubed plus 6x plus 50 divided by x plus 2. So, what are we going to do is to look at first at the polynomial equation kung tama ba yung pagkakasunod-sunod ng exponents niya. So, may napapansin ba tayo sa equation natin? Kapag napansin mo na kulang tayo ng exponent na 2 since ito ay 3, di ba dapat merong tayong exponent na 2? Ang kasunod niya is 1 lang. Ayan. So, you are good at analyzing equations. Okay, very good. So, what are we going to do is dapat ilagay natin si x squared. Paano? So, ganito yung mangyayari. We have 5x cubed. Replace lang natin siya ng 0. And then, anong kasama niya? X squared. Kasi yun yung kulang sa kanya, di ba? Meron naman tayong exponent of 1. Meron exponent of 3. And meron din tayong 0. So, we have 0x squared plus 6x plus 50. Alright. So, ayan na yung magiging equation natin. Remember, kapag napansin nyo na may kulang na exponent, since kailangan pababa yung exponent natin from the highest to lowest exponent, kailangan nating idagdag ayon kapag gagamit tayo ng long division as well as synthetic division. And then, i-divide natin siya by x plus 2. The next thing to do is to look at the first term and the first term of our divisor. Since ang ating divisor is x plus 2, i-divide lang natin ito dito kay x only. Okay? So, we have 5x cubed divided by x only. And then, automatically, 5 divided by 1 is 5. Then, copy x. And then, when you are going to divide using the law of exponent, you are just going to minus or subtract 3 to the exponent here. So, we have 3 minus 1 is 2. So, the answer is 5x squared. we have 5x squared. And then multiply 5x squared to x plus 2. We have 5x squared times x is equal to 5x. Since when you're going to multiply variables with exponents, you're just going to add. And kapag naman division, subtract. Okay, lagi niyo yung tatandaan. And then 5x squared times 2 is equal to positive 10x squared. And then subtract. Since naging negative na si 5x cubed, cancel na lang natin. And then si positive, magiging negative siya. Negative 10x. So 0 minus 10 is equal to negative 10x squared. And then bring down lang natin si positive 6x. So next is to divide negative 10x. We have negative 10x squared divided by x is equal to negative 10. Since negative 10 divided by 1 is negative 10. And then copy x. And 2 minus 1 is 1 only. So we have negative 10x. Next thing to do is to multiply negative 10x to x plus 2. We have negative 10x times x is equal to negative 10x squared. And then negative 10x times positive 2 is equal to negative 20x. And then subtract again. Ayan. Since ito ay negative 10x, magiging positive siya. And since ito naman is negative, magiging positive siya. Then cancel it out. Remember, pwede lang tayong mag-cancel kapag magkaiba na sila ng sign. Okay? So we have positive 6 plus 20. We have 26x. And then bring down positive 50. Next thing to do is to divide 26x to the first term of our divisor, which is x. Remember, same process lang tayo. Paulit-ulit lang yan, and kayang-kaya nyo siyang gawin. So, we have 26x divided by x. 26 divided by 1 is equal to 26. And x divided by x, since meron tayong exponent of 1 and exponent of 1. So, 1 minus 1 is 0. So, we have 26 times 1. Since any variable and exponent raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, the answer is 26 only. So, 26x divided by x is equal to positive 26. Right? And the next thing to do is to multiply 26 to x plus 2. 26 times x is equal to positive 26x. And then 26 times 2 is equal to positive 52. And then, subtract. Naging negative na si 26x, so pwede na natin siyang i-cancel. Si positive 2 magiging negative. That's why 50 minus 52 is negative 2. And hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-divide kay x plus 2. As you can see, na-reach na natin yung constant term. Okay? Then the answer will be 5x squared minus 10x plus 26 minus 2 over x plus 2. Remember, ito yung ating pinaka-remainder. So, this is the answer. We have 5x squared minus 10x plus 26. Remainder, negative 2 over x plus 2. Now, let's move on to the synthetic division. Okay, so now take a look at this. Kanina gumamit tayo ng long division and now we're going to use synthetic division. And inilagay ko dito yung answer natin kanina, enable for us to compare kung tama ba yung magiging sagot natin sa synthetic division and kay long division. So, first thing to do when using synthetic division is to equate the divisor to 0. So, we have x plus 2 is equal to 0. And then x will be transpose positive 2, it will become negative 2. And then, siya na yung magiging divisor natin. We have negative 2. Second is to get all the numerical coefficients in our polynomial expression or equation. So, we have the first term is 5 ang ating numerical coefficient. And then, as you can see kanina, diba, wala siyang kasunod, which is si x squared dapat nandito sa kasunod ni x cubed. Si x squared, no? Since wala tayong x squared, papalitan natin siya ng 0. Sa long division, 0 x squared siya. Dito naman sa synthetic division, 0 lang siya. 6 and 50. So, yan na lahat ng numerical coefficient dito sa ating polynomial equation or expression. And then, the next thing to do is to bring down the first numerical coefficient. So we have 5. And then multiply 5 to negative 2. We have 5 times negative 2 is equal to negative 10. And 0 minus 10 is negative 10. And then, multiply again. Same process lang. Negative 10 times negative 2 is positive 20. And 20 plus 6 or 6 plus 20 is equal to 26. And 26 times negative 2 is equal to negative 52. And 50 minus 52 is negative 2. And then, ilagay na natin siya as polynomial expression. Remember, lagi nating ima-minus si highest degree to 1 enable for us to come up with 5x squared. 5x squared and then followed by negative 10x. Ito siya. And then, 26. Remainder na natin si negative 2. Remember, ang remainder natin, always lalagyan natin ng pinaka-divisor. Itong x plus 2. And this is already the final answer. We have 5x squared. 5x squared. Ito yung sagot natin kanina sa long division. Minus 10x, minus 10x. Positive 26, positive 26. And our remainder is negative 2 over x plus 2. Are they the same? Yes, they are. Pwede nating gamitin both long division and synthetic division in dividing polynomials. So, I guess that would be all. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share it to your friends. And thank you so much everyone for watching. God bless us all.